The topic of our today's video is angle properties of polygon. So today we are going to discuss the different formula which we will use to find the angles of polygon. So as you know that polygon are all figures which has 4 or more than 4 sides. Okay. So first of all, here we have the learning objectives which are given in the CI syllabus, and the learning objectives has 2 parts. One of the part is given in geometrical terms, and here it is given that use and interpret the geometrical terms, interior and exterior angles. So first we will study what are interior and exterior angles, and then calculate one of the objectives is given in angles also, and that is calculate unknown angles and give simple explanation using the following geometrical properties. So angle properties of regular and irregular polygon. Now, what are interior and exterior angles? So the interior angle is an interior angle of a polygon is an angle inside the polygon at one of its vertices. Okay. So here, to find the interior angle, if you just mark this angle, like if I mark this angle here, this is an interior angle because it's inside the polygon. Here the polygon is QUAD. Okay, so inside all 4 angles are interior angle. As Q is an interior angle, this U is also an interior angle, this A is also an interior angle, and this D is also an interior angle. So all these 4 angles are interior angle of a polygon which are inside the polygon. Now, exterior angle definition is an exterior angle of a polygon is an angle outside the polygon formed by one of its sides and the extension of an adjacent side. So for example, if we extend one line, like here, as we extend this line QD, okay, so when we extend it, here we have point Z. Now, if we mark an angle from point AD on this point QZ, okay, so this outside angle is an exterior angle because it's outside the polygon, okay. So inside the polygon are all our interior angles, and outside the polygon will be exterior angles. Okay. Now, here we have different formula which we use to find the interior and exterior angle of a polygon. First of all, if we have any of the polygon, so we should know that what is the side of that polygon. If we have quadrilaters, so it means that we have 4 sides. If we have pentagon, then we have 5 sides. If we have hexagon, so it means we have 6 sides. Okay, and similarly so on. So n represent the number of sides of the polygon. So if we have the number of sides, or for example in the question it is given to find the sum of the interior angle of a hexagon. So we know that in hexagon we have 6 sides. So in that case the value of n will be 6. So to find the sum of the interior angles, the formula is n minus 2 multiplied by 180. N minus 2 multiplied by 180. Here n is the number of sides, so it means if we have a hexagon, the value of n is 6. Now, if we have a regular polygon, for example, if we have a regular polygon, then in regular polygon, all sides and all angles are equal. So, to find each interior angle, if we have a regular polygon, then the formula is n minus 2 multiplied by 180, means in numerator we will write the sum of the interior angles, and then we will divide it by number of sides. So if we divide it by number of sides, we will get each interior angle, because as we know that in regular polygon all angles are equal. Similarly, if we talk about some of the exterior angle of a polygon, so remember that we have a constant value of sum of the exterior angle of a polygon, and that is 360. The sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360. Similarly, to find each exterior angle. For example, if we have a regular polygon and if we find each exterior angle, then we will divide the sum of the exterior angles by its sides, means n. Okay, so I hope you have understood these formula. Now you can easily use these formula in the questions of angle properties of polygon. I have explained so many past paper questions of angle properties of polygon, and I'll give the link of the of those videos in the description box. So if you want to check those past paper questions, you can easily check. Here we will end this video. Thank you so much.